Today we're looking at the 10-63 oil seal for the 7K and 8K trailer axles. Can be used on 6K as well. You'll mainly see them on 8,000 pound axles that have oil in them. This is an oil seal for mainly 8Ks, but can be used on 7s and 6s. It is 2 1/4 inch inner diameter, and the outer diameter is 3.37, looks like 0.48 thickness. It has the rubber around it to prevent that oil from coming out. We have a pretty good price on them compared to others. But yeah, the oil seal for 7K, 8K axles, 6K axles. Part number 10-63. You can buy them online at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or stop by our store here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks.